Hi, my name is Atulya Philo-Joseph. I've completed my engineering in 2020, following which I worked with Infosys Limited for 2 years, and after that I gave my CAT exam, and now I'm at IIM Nagpur. The main factor that inspired me to go for the MBA degree is my sister. So she is also an MBA degree holder, and we used to have conversations revolving around the pedagogy of the course and the exposure that an MBA degree gives. And also during my work experience at Infosys, I felt that having a degree in management would help me further to get into better posts and roles. A general work day for me started at 11 a.m. and wrapped up by 9 p.m. So what I used to do is that I used to take my weakest section in the morning, which was quant for me. So I used to see conceptual videos in the morning, and once I'm done with my work, I used to come back and solve problems on the same concepts. And DILR was my easiest section. So I used to find time between work when I'm waiting on someone or something else of that sort. I used to solve Sudoku puzzles, etc. And that's how I try to manage both work and CAT preparation. My CAT preparation started in the month of May last year, and the first thing I did was take a mock, and this mock exam showed me which is my weakest section, which is my strongest section. And for my case, it was quants was my weakest section and DILR was the strongest section. And after that, I started to play by my strength and weakness. I devoted more time in preparing for the quant section, and I tried to find the subtopics which I was strong in, and I tried to find those questions in mocks and solve those. For DILR, I solved Sudoku puzzles, etc., so that I can build on my strength. I'd like to wish all the CAT 2023 aspirants all the best, and believe in yourself and be consistent in your practice. This is the last mile, and I hope you all do really well.